Hello everyone, I want to show you the newest mirror cover that we have. It's for Lexus GSF, the newest models. We use the original part from Lexus, as you can see, the original number from Japan. So we use original parts and we cover them in real carbon fiber. Everything is done by hand perfectly. I'm gonna show you how beautiful and shiny it is. And this is from the under the mirror cover. Everything is done by hand. It's perfectly made as well. I'm gonna show you from the other side as well. I hope you can see it. Beautiful carbon fiber. Everything is done by hand. As you can see, this is the original number from Lexus, so this cover is original. And this is the carbon fiber from above. We cover the mirror cover with UV protection, clear coat. Everything is perfectly made. I'll provide a link in the description for our eBay store.